to the belly, bro. I went the key to my other bro. Only 3 of us got 7 hoes, and the 3 of us got 7 flows. I'ma get it injured by the low. All 3 of us.
Oh, ye my. Alright, so what's going on? It's been a hot minute since I've uploaded another video. I've been just screwing around type of thing. In this video though, we went on 2 adventures. The first one was like this fucking well thing. Don't ask me anything, I was just tagging along with Matt. He wanted to do something, I was like, yeah, sure, I'm down, whatever. The second part was we went to this train track again, but this time there was an actual train there, so we just goofed around there sort of thing. And a few things actually happened that was kind of interesting that I wouldn't have thought of, but if you want to see what happens, take a look. Boy, what the fuck?
Yo, take a step.
Okay, yeah, so I forgot to mention, for the next clip, you're about to get ear raped, so turn down your volume for sure, but if not, whatever, bro. Good luck. Oh my Jesus, Minkia. Sounds like eating chips, bro. Where are we going now?
We gotta go more that way. I just thought this was a shortcut.
Jump over it.
Tell me I won't do it.
What's the point, though? You gotta walk across this shit either way. Oh, you actually gonna jump?
Yeah, man.
Yay! Should I go across too?
Yeah, show me your phone.
Light work. Apparently we're supposed to come through this, bro. That's tiny. Yo, you must be stupid. This is a tiny thing, yo. We're at the wrong one. It's easier getting this way? Oh, fuck. Oh, dude, it's packed. Go back. What the fuck? Yay! Why? What's that gonna do? Here. Take your son. Yeah, but it's gonna overflood and go up again. We ain't actually making a fucking dam here, bro. What's that way?
That way, Nick and I were trying to break into the last one.
No, you couldn't?
We got so close.
Hey, yo, come in.
Yeah, I got you. Here. Watch your feet. Watch your feet, watch your feet. Can David fit? Give it a shot. Yay! Where's David at? He coming?
Where's my bag?
Over here. Yeah.
That's good.
Am I leading?
Yeah, no, it's not that far. It's only to that big room right there.
Yeah, we gotta get David.
It's gonna be a tight one. There's no way. There's no way.
No? Keep going, keep going. Get some butter, man.
I can't. Is there an easier way out?
Don't let your feet keep pulling.
No, there's not an easier way out, I don't think.
Can we
Matt,
go up on this side or no?
is there an easier way out? Is there an easier way out?
This motherfucker looks like the Slenderman number.
No.
I could probably get in, but I won't be able to get it out.
Okay, then don't fucking eat
Slenderman
it.
head ass. Go to
Yo,
the
Dave!
top.
Go to the top, he said.
Oh shit, almost fell. Check out the red sign. Pull out a red.
You guys get out that way or no?
Tell me what?
Where's the molly, bro? I'm trying to get high. Yeah, bro. Oh, I didn't end the street. Hold on. Fuck. Stupid ass. Adios, amigo. Big ass looking motherfuckers. Man, that's crazy. Number uno.
2.
Now we go. What? No, this is the number 1.
Nah, man, number 2. We won't spell it right, man. Didn't work out very well.
Yeah, exactly. So it didn't really count.
Alright, fuck you.
Oh, you mate. You a bitch. Oh, what the fuck? I'm gonna stab him in the back, bro. Man, oh, fuck out. Run it again or something? Ooh, yes, they bet. Motherfucker, dude. Look at that big ass. Yo, hold this hole. That motherfucker booking it. Motherfucker, I'm been prepared. Look at this hole. Fucking light a motherfucker up. Where'd he go? Into the bush?
He's ready to pop out at us, man.
Dave, come around.
What the fuck was the point of this shit then? Fucking crack. Yeet? Way too many mosquitoes, bro. I'm too sweet.
What?
Noisy. Fucking stupid ass
Bro, what are you
mosquito.
talking about?
Take your sweet ass time, why don't you? Very patient. Shit. You know, it's bet. Fucking perfect. Almost missed a step. Well, y'all motherfuckers went inside. Not on top, why? Bet. What is it? What you guys doing?
You gonna go for it, Santi?
What?
Across?
We gotta unlock.
Jump on top?
You burp, dude.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. The shit there is to do up in this fucking stupid city, man. This is what we do for fun. We go on train. And then we sit. No cap Patron.
Oh, these rocks give me a boner.
We got one dumbass and number 2. Number 2 is fucking huge.
How do you do this?
Yeet. I'll hand it again, bro.
There might be one down there, if not.
This one? Son of a bitch! Let's get up.
Yo, you see how high you jumped?
Buddy's dead.
Should we head up 3rd level?
Sure, I don't care.
I thought you were gonna run and jump.
See? He can fucking walk. He's got length. What are you gonna do?
Risky.
You go first.
Me? Here.
The first time is always the scariest.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, man. Yo, you're fucked.
Come on, baby. Oh, dude! If you stepped on that thing, you could have fucking fallen on it. It's kind of getting a bit taller. You want me to go again? What the fuck is he doing?
Dave!
Okay, you ready?
Oh, I know what I do.
You good?
Yeah, don't hang off that.
Definitely not. Yay!
That was easy work. What the fuck?
Oh, I thought your foot was gonna get caught in that little thing right there.
I know, that's what I
You're
thought.
scared.
Look, you can see the footprint right there. What are you doing down there, you crackhead?
Up there?
Yeah, I'm up here. Why? Oh, you coming up too?
Now you gotta run and jump between cars.
Oh, I don't. Yo, well, actually, that's not that.
Because you have nothing to watch for your head, that's it.
No, I know.
How are you gonna get down now?
What do you mean? You get down. Why? We'll do it later, bro. I'm enjoying
No,
this.
I don't know.
Why?
It's gonna be hard to get down.
No.
Yeah, try to get down.
Okay, give me a sec. Man, that's scary.
Nah, this is way easier.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Dude, that last part is so big. You're just gonna run it?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, no way, you're dead.
Oh, this one's stable as shit. Yeet. Doesn't seem that big of a jump, bro, but when you actually do this, it's sketchy. Hey! Just so I can jump. On the last one. Oh, wrench. Whoa! That one looks sketchier. I can still make that. Dude, so much freaking noise came out of that. Now what? You, yeah? Alright, hold on, you ready?
No.
Yo, catch.
No fucking way. Alright, yo, run it.
Gang. Yo, David! What's up, you fucking crackheads? So that was our adventure number 2. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe. Share it with someone too. Yeah, he ran straight at you.
There's a baby.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, right there.
It's okay, bud. You're fucking chill, bud. Fucking just pack a lip. You'll be good.
What are you talking about? Oh, right there. Holy shit.
Yeah, we can't touch him.
I'm not touching him. I'll get my ass beat. Run.
He's stuck in the tracks, but we can't get out. No, but we can't touch him, bro.
Why? Help him out, bro. He's stuck.
Fucking go back to it.
Yeah, but he's stuck.
Yeah, but the mom will kill it if a human touches it.
What?
Yeah, bro.
What are you on, bro? What?
Birds. I swear I'm
What Discovery Channel are you looking at?
I'm pretty sure if you touch like a baby bird, its mom like abandons it
Why?
because it has their scent on it.
Well, we're like right beside. Oh, motherfucker fell. What are you doing with that? You gonna kill it?
Bro. Push him that way. Get him that way.
That way?
Yeah, towards the bridge.
Go. Get up.
Oh,
Or go over it, you fucking idiot. Yo, get him in like a log. Right here. Look. Put him in a log.
Yo, where are you going?
He's down there though.
Okay, well, bring him back.
Why don't you just bring the stick to him?
Because I'm too lazy to do that.
Oh, hey, don't fuck him up like that, bro.
You gonna break his ankles like no tomorrow, dude.
Look at how fast he's running, bro.
Let's just leave it to the end of the train track. Where it's open.
Okay, well, we'll update you guys when the little freaking guy's over the track. Oh, I'm gonna bring him all the way over there. Why are you running now, you piece of shit?
Relax.
Oh, wow.
Where are you going?
Dude, that can't go on YouTube. That can't go on YouTube.
No, I got him. Dude, he leaped out of my hand. Okay. Where you go? Ooh. Okay, I'll put you in the... Come here, hold on.
Hey, can you stop doing that?
Update, I saved his life. Ain't nobody else wanted to touch him, bro. Pussies.
Just killed that bird.
Shut up, you big fucking bear looking ass.